Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can activate delayed end of the washing cycle in Samsung washing machine WW. So in the first step, select your program, and then click on the hand icon and go to the right side until you see the delay end. Remember, this is the time when the cycle shall be completed, not when it started. So let's go to the delay end, click on the O button. And as you can see, in this mode, we're starting from the 1 hour and 10 minutes. You can manage the hours. Click on the O if you want to manage the minutes. And now my cycle should be completed in the 3 hours and 40 minutes. Click on the O button. Oh, sorry, we have to hold the play button, start button to set the delay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.